Hey everyone, Crypto Dynamic here. Thank you again for joining me. Today we are talking Crossswap, and I am excited to be bringing you this video. If you caught my video yesterday on AstroSwap, I kind of dropped a little bit of a teaser that I had this in the works. So as promised, here we are. Like I mentioned, if you saw my video, we were talking AstroSwap. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and check it out because it's just as exciting. We're looking at the price, and what we're expecting here is that since we now have an official launch date, we are expecting to see some nice price action. And this is based on previous DEX launches and the market behavior we saw up to that date. So, Crossswap. What do we got here? So, like AstroSwap, it is a new DEX, which is looking to be launched very soon. But unlike AstroSwap, which is ultimately has been built to work on the Cardano network, Crossswap is a DEX which they are looking to bridge all the major networks. So you can actually swap tokens, whether you're on the Binance network or the ETH network. You can trade tokens. As of right now, that's a little difficult, as you may know. You have to kind of bridge those separately, but they're looking to do it all in one place. So check out the website crossswap.com. There's good information on here. Several things that they are looking to fix in the current status of DEXs. So I'm not going to get into each of these, but if you want to check them out, I mean, you could even Google some of these issues or these features to see why this is a pretty cool project. Okay, so scrolling down, we do have a listed roadmap, and it's a little bit of frustration out there. I know if you know about Bluezilla in this project Crossswap, that we were looking for an announcement at Q4 of 2021. That came and went. We did have, if you join the Telegram or keep an eye on them on Twitter, they did have an announcement that they were continuing to work on it. But of course, they need to update this since we are now in Q1 of 2022. So, like I said, we were expecting version 1 of the DEX, which was would be launched on the Binance Smart Chain, and then they would be looking to add more chains and tokens to that as they move ahead. All right. So, like I said, we are just waiting on that announcement, but anticipating that to come soon. Okay, so now for the fun part. Let's take a look at what we're expecting it to do with pricing, or what it could do. What are some possibilities here? So here's the chart. We have Crossswap. It's right now. It's currently about at 14 cents. And like I said, when it was first launched, there was some price movement. All-time high is about 90 cents. So we definitely corrected down for some time here, and we are at a good low here, so definitely a good entry point. I think we're kind of scraping the bottom as far as the price goes. So if you're looking at this project and you think it might be something you want to invest in, I would be looking at getting in around this time, because like I said, that's a pretty good deal there. Okay. So I am just going to kind of do some minimum targets based on Fibonacci. And if you watch my videos, you know that we use Elliott Wave and Fibonacci. If just as a refresher, if you don't know about Elliott Wave, which one am I looking for here? We're going to do an Elliott Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the market tends to follow these waves quite often. You'll get a wave 1, wave 2 is a correction down, and a wave 3 is an impulsive wave, which gives you some higher price movement. Then a wave 4 is another retracement, and then another impulsive wave 5 before there's another correction down and the whole thing starts over again, hopefully. All right, so what do we see here? So what I'm going to do is just take some price targets of each wave here. We are definitely looking at, we've completed wave 1, corrected down to wave 2. So if we are expecting an announcement on that DEX, we are hoping that that would be a wave 3, so an impulsive wave, right? So what we do is grab our trend-based fib extension tool. And what we can do here is grab the bottom of wave 1, top of wave 1, the bottom of wave 2. Let me slide this over a bit there. Okay, so bare minimum, we typically see a 1618 target for that. So I know it looks low, but let's zoom in here a bit. Because remember, our all-time highs were 90 cents, and we're at 14 cents now. So if we can hit that 1618, that is about $1.50, $1.40, $1.50. All right. Let me just adjust this a little bit there. Okay. All right. So right there, I mean, if you take 14, see $1, I'll just say $1.40. I mean, obviously it's simple math, but if you take 14 cents into that, that's a 10x right there. So hopefully, you know, as a bare minimum, we can see that. This is not financial or trading advice, just giving you some ideas of what technical analysis can do for you and giving you these price targets. So don't make any decisions based off of my videos, please. And then what do we expect after that, or what could we possibly expect after that? Well, we can do a fib retracement to see where the wave 4 will retrace down to. And something I'm seeing here right off is that the wave 4, if it follows the Elliott wave pattern, it cannot trade into the area of the wave 1. So I would actually expect this wave 3 to be probably be higher, just to give us some room here for this 4 to be able to retrace the proper amount, which is, say if we take 2 to the 3, so we have a 0.38 to 0.5 is the typical retracement. So as you see, if we put it at the wave 3 top that we have marked there, that could very well get into that price action of the wave 1. So I am going to put, like I said, we're going to go with minimums here and say this 618. So the furthest it could possibly retrace would be about right there. So that looks like it could work there. So if we hit that 1618 as a minimum and then retrace down to the maximum of the 618 there. Okay, so you following me? Okay, so now if we can use these targets, we can kind of figure out where this wave 5 is going to be, and it's not going to be way up there. So let's pull this down. All right, we'll grab our trend-based fib extension once again. So, and then now we're going to click at the bottom of wave 3 to the top of wave 3, and then down to the bottom of 4. All right, so here wave 5, once again going to the likely minimum is 1618. We're looking at about $3. So I think, you know, I think we're going to be probably all in all, after this whole sequence is done, probably at least $5 as a minimum. So anyway, this is something that we have to watch, you know, and see as we get more data and how it plays out, where this is going to go. This is just one likelihood. So I hope you enjoyed this. You know what? Let me show you. I'm going to do a video on market cap. and where we can expect a coin to go price-wise based on its market cap. So if you just take a look at, let's take a look at PancakeSwap. I don't know why I'm running slow right now, but if we go to PancakeSwap, here we go, which is another DEX like AstroSwap or Crossswap, we see that the market cap is at $3 billion, close to $3 billion. And let's take a look at Crossswap. Okay, so looks like we don't even have the data on the market cap right now, just because it's such a newer project. So as more people buy these tokens, this data will fill out. Another place you can go to is CoinGecko, and they might have some more information as well. But we see there's a max supply of 500 million, 20 million. Fully diluted market cap. So if we just take this for example, I mean, this isn't the way to do it. It's not going to be, it's not going to be. Let's see. Sorry. There's my calculator. All right. Okay. So like I said, this isn't going to be accurate by any means, but we're going to take 3 billion, like the market cap of PancakeSwap. How many zeros is that? It's about right there, right? So if we take 3 billion and divide it by the fully diluted market cap as what this is showing, that's a 43x. So, all right, so what does that mean? So if we take the current price at 13, so if we times this by 13 cents, there we go. That's about $5.67. So really close to that target that we were looking at there. And like I said, that target will move once we get more volume into the market with this, and we'll see what that full market cap is with the circulating supply. Cool. All right, so I hope this was helpful. If you want to see any other coins, drop it in the comments. Let me know what your favorite DEX is, or if there's anything else you want to see, just let me know. And please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.